Good morning. Kita orang dah siap. Tara. Sekarang tak tahu lah pukul apa, tapi kita orang nak dah siap. Kita mau lambat hari ni, tapi whatever. Lepas tu nak pergi parking, nak pergi ambil kereta, and we're going to ring off Kerry. Ada lah, kau tak ada tu. Oh, so good. Thank you. Okay, we just parked our car in the middle of nowhere to enjoy the mountain views.
Tadi pun cantik tempat yang ada air tu.
Yeah. Oh, itu lawa gila.
Datang dah.
Ada yang beg-beg.
Community alert.
Yeah. Tadi ada seorang beg kat situ. Seorang lagi beg kat situ. Dia orang bersembang.
Panggil Jess.
Tak pun beg. Sama.
Which one's Sarah? Who's
Sarah.
Sarah? What's you guys' names?
You go, boy. Girl.
Boy.
Ah! Oh my god.
Telling her, catch those ones.
Oh. So smart.
Trying to get over the wall.
Wow. Oh my god. This is so cute.
So she kind of speaks English.
Ah.
We want them to come up really slowly now because they could break their legs or anything on the wall if they go running. So he's looking, Rose is looking at him, seeing what to do.
Oh.
And she kind of goes behind them, goes left and goes right and funnels them back this way.
Ah.
So if she wasn't trained, she might run in the middle and
Oh.
they go everywhere. That's
Oh my god. This is so cute. Oh my god.
so we like them to go really slowly through here.
Ah.
Oh, no.
Cute, cute. Takutnya je sampai naik atas batu.
Macam kita je. Ya, kita pun boleh.
So cute. Wow.
We don't have to make this man run. I don't have to run.
Yeah.
She does everything. Really, we taught her to go left, go right. Rose, come on.
Sorry.
She's hurting you guys up now.
You can put my tight.
Akan buntut je.
Going to lay behind you anyway.
Okay.
She's going to sit in the
Allez,
shade.
stå der. Till det.
So, like I said, she's 8 years old now. She's been doing this all her life. All these sheep that have a blue dot, in February they got an ultrasound, like a woman when she's pregnant. They get an ultrasound, a scan. These sheep do the same thing. We do this so we know how many babies they will have in April. So anyone that was going to have 2 babies, they get a blue mark. Twins. So when they're born, all the lambs are born out in that field and all over. We have 600 moms and they have about 900 babies.
Oh my god.
So in April, for maybe 5-6 weeks, they're all born at the same time, all those babies. We need to know how many is going to come out of the mom. I suppose it's not like a woman, you might see the second one is still inside, but a sheep is, you won't know, there might be a lamb still inside. So we need to pull that lamb out. So we don't know unless they have a mark on them. That one there has 3, it's one of 3 babies. She had triplets. This is how you shear them, you grab them.
So you must knock them over.
Oh my god.
So cute.
You have to restrain them like this because they will jump.
You have to restrain them like so. You stop here. Into their neck.
So they don't like getting their wool cut, but they have to do it. Otherwise, they'll be dead. So a few minutes of no comfort is better than death, I suppose.
Do anybody want to try?
With your thumb like this. Yeah.
Keep a good tight grip on it now in case the sheep kicks.
You'll be cutting along here.
Just cut as you are. And you'll shear it.
I cut the skin.
Yeah. Yeah. That's very good. Very good.
Okay, enough for me. Who wants to try?
Anybody else?
Yeah. Nana?
Guys, you can have a go.
Wow, that's so fun. Sorry, girl. Wait, the wool is so thick.
Yeah.
It's so. Sarah, go. It's once in a lifetime chance. Go. Cut. Go. A sheep's wool.
Yeah, or you can go from that side.
Yeah, you can put it.
You can have a go.
Go, Jana.
Yes, sir. Have you ever heard the saying when in Rome? Do as
Yes.
Yeah? Give it a shot anyway, see how you feel. It is hard to shear when you're not used to it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Yes. Anna, your turn.
Yeah, your
Anna,
turn.
Scully, go.
Okay, Trinta.
Scully, you can just do it once.
Let's do it once.
Just do once.
See what you think.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can see, we'll be cutting this wool here. You see where the white wool is?
See what the white wool is? Just try there. I'd hold the sheep. Here, look, here.
Here?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dalam lagi, Nana.
Are you afraid of her? Yeah, so I will continue.
I think you guys better as doctors than hairdressers. So you did pretty good. You cut half of her stomach. Small overbite and just teeth on the bottom.
Teeth on the bottom.
No teeth on top.
Yeah.
Put it on generously.
Okay.
One.
Sorry.
Good, good.
Yeah.
It's yours.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
That's so
a nice
huge.
piece, a blanket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a rope now.
Yeah. That's a rope.
So it's all matted. It's all stuck together.
Oh, perasaan, Sarah? How are you feeling? Oh my god, this one is so big. It's so strong. Oh my god! Macam I tak mau tidur.
You're nearly stronger than the man.
Hi. Sorry.
I don't think you could hold it. It's a bit.
Oh.
Look at the wool.
Yeah.
He doesn't have much wool.
Oh, this is curly hair.
Yeah. So he's about 6 weeks old.
6 weeks.
This big. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see his teeth.
There's some grass in it. You should floss, girl.
So will I leave her down?
Yeah. Grab him. It's up to yourself.
You don't want to grab. It's
I
heavy.
think he will kick me out of
It's alright.
Dublin. Ireland. Kick me back to Dublin.
Yeah, poetry one.
Yeah. Rose thinks that the sheep are escaping now, so we hold her.
Bye guys. Mana punya? Wow. She fresh. Fresh out of the shower. Bye y'all.
Bye.
So cute.
Bye.
Rajinnya dia lari. Tengok ketua lembab kat depan. Comel. Ya. Tapi dia orang lari bergegar tanah. Oh. Jump.
Hey. Oh my God. Rose, back up. Come back up.
She was telling me, come on.
All right, Rose, come back up. Easy now. Easy. Easy now. Easy now. Easy, Rose. Easy now.
So nanti masuk
Hope
supervise.
you enjoyed.
We did.
Hope you enjoyed.
Nak buat music video. Hari ni tudung tak gosok sebab iron board ada, iron tak ada. Sabar je lah.
Kalau aku ada.
We had fun touching sheep. The sheep. Yeah. So cantik. Masih sedap makan. Ngong. So we bought that. Like gula-gula string and I bought this also. Cantik gila weh. This is one of the stops at Ring of Kerry. Yeah, it's called Waterville. Thank you. Okay, we are at Waterville. Ring of Kerry.
Tu mic ke?
Yeah.
Mic.
Masuk ni outfit I. I pergi jumpa kambing tadi di mana ni banyak tai. Dan kita orang semua pakai kasut putih.
Dah sudah tadi.
Ya, semua ada sikit tai. Tapi kita akan basuh. Okay, bye. Oh. Guys, this is paradise. I'm not even kidding. Oh, kamera tak menangkap keindahannya. Wait, kamera tak cantik langsung compared to real life. I'm so sad. Ya Allah, dalam ni nampak macam meh.
Dia macam
Lupa tadi. Okay guys, Sarah akan bagi kita tutorial backpacking dari bus parking. Backpacking. Okay semua mundur belakang. Tak apa Sarah. Untuk
budak-budak cantik berpasing macam aku. Okey, pasal dia senang je. Apa yang susah kau dah tahu? Confident, korang nak kena ada confident.
Hai.
Oh sini oh you dah betulkan tu. Baru nak macam reality lah macam awal-awal tudung cukup mahal.
Oh faham. Kita orang tengah tunggu dalam kereta sebab Jana Zinana pergi belikan pizza. Kita orang punya B&B kat Cork, dia bungalow tapi we don't know how big the bungalow is, so I'm interested to know how big it is. And then it's like 30 minutes from the city, so it's quite far.
Tadi you dekat macam itu you lola tak?
Look. Sikit.
Kita finish touring of Kerry.
Tapi sebenarnya tak adalah apa-apa. Macam tempat yang Aiman pergi tak ada pun. Macam kita tak bump into pun.
Awal-awal tu pun.
Bye. Sen Jana. Kalau Jana lalu kita ambil gambar Jana. Tapi Jana takkan lalu dah.
Azin, apa ni? Drive Airbnb.
Azlin no change. No English. Azlin. Oh, nak buka kereta. Sorry. This is our bungalow. This is our B&B. It's very kampung vibes. I like. Okay, let me give you a tour. Okay, so you first masuk. This is the kitchen. And then our living room. Ada basic channels. And then go here we got toilet and bedrooms. Okay. Tere, Sarah baru balik toilet. Baru balik dari toilet. Kejap. Ada, ya Allah weh. Alamak, nampak tak? Ada berebah mati, ya Allah. Tak ada orang duduk sini lama sangat dah. Okay, and then next room. Sarah, macam duduk bilik ni? Bilik ni? Tapi macam panas lah sikit. Malas juga kita duduk sini lah. Kau nampak tak ni? Cantik bilik ni. Tapi Sarah nak tengok tak ada lebah mati? Lepas tu ni ada siapa nak tidur sini? Jana kena tidur kat dalam ni. Jana tidur katil king seorang.
Kita orang ambil
Pilih hujung. Oh, let's makan-makan. Thank you Azlin. Wow. They're playing puzzles, guys.
2 hours later.
Wow, everyone, we did it. Weh, lawa weh.